Hi Verena, so the purpose of this demo is to show you that number 2 priority, which is about the checkout and the misleading notion that customers didn't know they'd paid because there was text about donating, was solved. This has now been done. And the second one was, which is number 3, was the checkout to personalize it to thank you because they'll be buying different things on the checkout. And the same thank you email was being used for donation and checkout, and we wanted to separate that out. So we've done that for you. So this is the test site, not the live site. So if you notice some menus might be different, please just ignore that. For the moment, it's just the functionality we're focusing on. And once you're happy, we can release it. So I'm making a once-off donation. I complete the form. Okay, obviously I have some pre-populated information. I'm only using Stripe. I know on live you've PayPal turned off, but just on our test system I have both of them turned on. Okay, so the first thing was on this page, either on mobile or on, there's mobile, on mobile or desktop, the user didn't know what was happening and they weren't sure if the donation was processing because it takes a few seconds to process with Stripe. So when I click Pay Now, I put through my payment details, my test card. This is the test card that I use with Stripe on the test system. Okay, I enter all my details. Now, instead of the screen being blank, now has an icon and a black. So everything goes a darker shade and this icon now appears. So someone can't do anything. I can't go anywhere. I can't click anywhere. It's processing on Stripe. And now it says, thank you for your donation. All of the text on this page you can give me if you want it to be a bit more detailed, or even an image if you want me to put on it. But for now, there's a donation page. It's called Donation Thank You. And basically on that page, you can edit the text. So I'll just bring the window up here to show you. It's called Donation Thank You. Okay, so we've created a new landing page for all donation payments to receive. So we've solved the issue of people clicking and not knowing if the payment was processing or taking too long by putting the black out. And we've processed it by putting in a new landing page. Okay, so that's one part of the item done. The second was you're selling the kayaking event or any event on the shop. So I just have a test here, okay? So imagine this is your kayaking event, okay? I'm going to add it to my cart and I'm going to check out, okay? Now, again, same problem was happening on this. It was speed and it was confusion that people didn't know what was going on. I'm going with Stripe again because that's all you've turned on your live site. Okay, I'm going to enter in my details. Okay, so if Stripe is slow to process on the person's phone or on the person's desktop, at least you're covered now because the blackout and the icon spinning will stop them trying to click around the place. They basically are communicated that something's going on. So watch it here again. If Stripe is slow, I have this blackout, I have this icon going on, and I know there's something processing, albeit it might be slow, fast, whatever, but I'm taking my time. I'm not going off the page, and now I get a thank you for your payment. Thank you for your payment on Rapecrisis Midwest Shop. You will receive an email shortly with details of your purchase from all the team. Again, that's a separate page now, which is called Thank You for Shopping with Us, and you can update it with any text or thank you messages about events or anything going on at the time. So I'll give you access to both of those once we go live, and you can modify the text to reflect what's going on. And both of them work perfectly then on mobile so that they can operate accordingly. So once you see this video and you're happy with the workflow, I'll mention it in my email. We can basically put you out onto live with this information so that you get it operating, so that the shop and the donations form are acting separately together. Okay, thank you.